Lucy, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my friend. What about you?
I'll probably stay home and relax.
That sounds nice.
You know what's interesting?
What?
We're both talking about the future.
You're right. I said going to, and you said will.
Exactly. And that's our topic today.
Today, we're talking about the future.
How to talk about plans, dreams, and predictions.
This is so useful.
Let's start.
Tom, let's start with going to. When do we use going to?
We use going to for plans we already decided.
Plans you already made.
Exactly. For example, I'm going to visit my mum tomorrow.
So you already decided this plan.
Yes, I made this decision before.
Give me more examples.
I'm going to study English tonight.
You already decided to study.
Right. What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to meet my friend for coffee.
Perfect. You already have this plan.
What about negative sentences?
Easy. I'm not going to work next Monday.
I'm not going to, so you use not in the middle.
Exactly. Are you going to watch TV tonight?
No, I'm not going to watch TV. I'm going to read a book.
Great. Questions use. Are you going to?
Are you going to cook dinner later?
Yes, I'm going to cook pasta.
What about other people? He, she, they.
He's going to travel next week. She's going to start university. They're going to visit Spain.
So we change am to is or are.
Exactly. Very simple.
I have a student named Henrik.
Tell me about Henrik.
Henrik is from Denmark. He loves traveling and planning holidays.
That's wonderful.
But at first, he only used present tense.
What did he say?
He said, I go to Italy. It was confusing. People didn't know if he's going now or later.
Oh, that's a problem.
So I taught him going to for plans.
Does he use it now?
Yes, now he says, next month, I'm going to visit Italy. I'm going to see Rome and Venice.
Much clearer.
Everyone understands his plans perfectly now.
That's excellent. Now let's talk about will.
Yes, when do we use will?
Will is for spontaneous decisions. Decisions you make right now.
Right now, not before.
Exactly. For example, someone asks, "Can you help me?" And you say, "Yes, I'll help you."
You decided to help at that moment.
Right, you didn't plan it before.
What else do we use will for?
Predictions. Guessing about the future.
Like weather.
Yes, it will rain tomorrow. It will be sunny on Saturday. We also use will for promises and offers.
Promises.
Yes, I'll call you tomorrow, I promise.
I'll be there on time.
I'll help you with your homework.
These are all promises or offers.
Exactly. And we use contractions. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, we'll, they'll.
Contractions are so common.
Very natural. Will you come to the party?
Yes, I'll be there.
Perfect. What about negative?
I won't be late.
Won't means will not.
I won't forget.
She won't mind.
We won't tell anyone.
Great examples.
My student Zainab needed will for job interviews.
Job interviews. Tell me more.
Zainab had interviews in English. The interviewers asked difficult questions.
What kind of questions?
They asked, "What will you do if you get this job?"
Ah, future questions.
Yes, she needed to use will for promises and predictions.
What did you teach her?
I taught her to say, "I will work hard. I will learn quickly. I won't let you down."
Strong answers.
Yes, and she got the job.
Wonderful. The future tense helped her sound confident.
Very professional.
So what's the difference between will and going to?
Good question. Let me think. Going to is for plans you already made.
Right. And will is for decisions you make now or predictions.
So if I already decided, I use going to.
Yes, I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. You already planned it.
And if someone asks me to help right now,
You say, I'll help you. You're deciding at that moment.
got it. What about predictions?
Use will. I think it will rain. She'll love this gift. The match will be exciting.
Makes sense.
Now let's talk about dreams and future goals.
Yes, the exciting future.
What do you want to do in the future, Lucy?
I want to travel more. I'm going to visit Japan next year.
That's a concrete plan.
Yes. What about you?
Someday I'll write a book.
Someday. That's the distant future.
Yes, not next week, but in the future.
I hope I will learn to speak French.
I hope I will. That's a beautiful way to talk about dreams.
My friend Sofia loves talking about the future.
Tell me about Sofia.
Sofia is from Portugal. She has big dreams.
What are her dreams?
She told me, "I'm going to finish university next year."
A clear plan.
Yes. Then she said, "Then I'll find a good job."
A prediction about after university.
And then someday I'll travel around the world.
A big dream for the distant future.
Talking about her future in English makes her so happy.
That's beautiful.
She practices by writing her goals in English every week.
What a great way to practice.
Future tense helps you express hopes and dreams.
Everyone has plans and dreams.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go to the gym in the morning.
What will you do this weekend?
I'll probably meet friends and relax.
What do you want to do next year?
I'm going to learn to play the guitar.
And in 10 years?
I hope I will live near the beach.
See, we can talk about the near future and the distant future.
Tomorrow, next week, next year, someday.
The future is exciting.
And now our listeners can talk about their future,
Your plans,
your predictions.
your dreams.
Now, let's review some important phrases.
Great idea.
I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow.
I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow.
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
Are you going to study tonight?
Are you going to study tonight?
I'm not going to work next week.
I'm not going to work next week.
I'll help you.
I'll help you.
Will you come?
Will you come?
Yes, I'll be there.
Yes, I'll be there.
It will rain tomorrow.
It will rain tomorrow.
I won't be late.
I won't be late.
I want to travel in the future.
I want to travel in the future.
I hope I will learn English well.
I hope I will learn English well.
Someday, I'll visit Japan.
Someday, I'll visit Japan.
Next year, I'm going to start university.
Next year, I'm going to start university. Great job today.
Now you can talk about the future.
Make plans in English.
Share your dreams.
The future is exciting.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
We'll see you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Pronounce faster.